Good morning, everyone. Uh, we'll start the session in another minute. There are still participants joining. Good morning, everyone. We'll start the session now. Welcome to Prepare with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajasekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst at William O'Neill India. The date is May 13th, Friday. Let's start by discussing how the Nifty is placed at the current moment and what levels we are looking into. Last week, we have changed the market status to downtrend because Nifty breached its key moving averages. Also, the level 16,800, which acted as a support recently, was also breached. Hence, we have changed the market status to downtrend. From there, you can see it has been a free fall for the markets, not just India, globally as well. Around 1,000 points down from where we change the market status to downtrend. That is like we have advised our clients to stay in cash at this level, and you can see here the market is at this level at the current moment. Yesterday also market was very in a free fall mode. It made a new low of 15,735. This level will be considered as a low, and which will be tracked in the next three sessions. If that level is not breached in the next three sessions, including today, then we'll move the market status to rally attempt, considering the Nifty has made a bottom. Otherwise, if this level is also breached in the next three sessions, then that new low will be closely monitored in the upcoming sessions. From the rally attempt, we would like to see a follow-through day. Follow-through day is when the Nifty advances 1.5% or more on above average volume, also on higher than previous sessions volume. From there, we'll start identifying stocks which are breaking out or giving proper buy points. We add them to our model portfolio. So now is the time to closely look into stocks and build your buy watch list in this current downtrend market. Talking about key results, L&T has reported not so good results yesterday, slightly below street estimates. Its PAT and revenue both grew 10%, but the street was expecting around 12% growth on the PAT level. Also, Tata Motors continue to report losses. Good part is that it posted a narrowed loss compared to 7,000 crore loss in March quarter FY21. It has reported a loss of 1,000 crore in this quarter. And Tube Investment and Apollo Tyres were the other companies which reported good numbers. We can see good traction in these stocks in today's session. Talking about the results for today, SBI and Eicher Motors, Bandhan Bank, Tech Mahindra are the major companies which will be reporting. There are other few companies also which are reporting today. And talking about the major news in Indian market, retail inflation for April came at 7.8%, which is a 8-year high. That is the reason there is a free fall in rupee, and also RBI might increase the repo rate by 100 BPS according to a report of CRISIL, which will definitely impact EMIs of all the loans, starting from home loans to personal loans, business loans. All these will be impacted. At this higher inflation, RBI has to step in, and all the central banks across the globe are also increasing their benchmark interest rates because of rising inflation. Rupee also made another fresh low of 77.6 per dollar. For the last 1 week, it has been hitting a fresh lows on every day, which is not a good sign for a country like India. And Tata Group has picked Wilson as Air India's new CEO. That is another major news. FIS continue to sell in Indian markets. In May, they have sold till date around 29,000 crores of equities. Yesterday also they sold more than 5,000 crores, which was compensated by BIA, domestic investors. But net there was all sellers when compared to if you see the net level, FIS are the major sellers, not so much compensated by the DIS bought. And talking about global markets, US market closed slightly on the positive to flat to negative zone. For the last three sessions, Nasdaq has been falling around 2 to 4% on every day. This is some respite for US market, even though the closed 0.1, 0.2, 0.3% lower. It is considered slightly a respite in the current market conditions. On the Asia markets front, all the indices like major indices, Kospi, Nikkei, Shanghai, Hang Seng are trading in the higher zone. Nikkei is trading at more than 2.5% higher, which is a good sign. We can expect a positive side opening for India as well. And Brent crude was up around 0.4% yesterday to 108 level. For India, which is a major crude importer, it's a not so good news. US 10-year yield and India's 10-year yield slightly declined to 2.862 and 7.24 respectively, which is a slightly a good sign in the bond market. And talking about India's opening, SGX is indicating more than 150 point opening. Yesterday, Nifty closed around 50,800 level. So we can expect a 150 point higher opening for India's market. Thanks for joining, Pribel. We hope you see you again on Monday.